In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Smartsheet. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or looking for a refresher, I'll guide you through a few different ways to update your sheets efficiently. We'll start by updating data manually and then explore some other useful methods like requesting updates and importing data. The first thing you need to do is open your Smartsheet. You can do this in two ways, either from the Smartsheet home or by navigating through your workspace. Once you've got your sheet open, pick any cell that you want to change. This is easily done by simply clicking on that cell, which will allow you to enter new information. Once you've typed in your update, hit Enter on your keyboard or click outside the cell to ensure your changes are saved. Smartsheet's auto-save feature will take care of the rest by automatically saving your updates, so you won't have to worry about losing any data. Now, let's look at another method of updating your Smartsheet, which involves updating rows via a request. To start, select the row you need to update. Right-click on the row, and from the context menu, navigate to Row Actions, then select Send Update Request. You'll need to fill in the message you want to send along with the recipient's email address. Once you send this request, the recipient will receive a secure link that allows them to update only those specific rows. This feature is fantastic for collaboration, making it seamless to gather updates from team members. For those of you dealing with larger sets of data, importing might be the way to go. Begin this process by clicking on File at the top of your Smartsheet, then selecting Import. Follow the prompts provided to either merge your new data with existing information or replace the data entirely. This is a handy option if you're working with, say, a spreadsheet or another file where you've made bulk changes or additions. Lastly, let's talk about updating column properties, an often overlooked yet powerful feature. If you need to update column names, types, or settings, simply right-click the column header you're interested in. From there, choose Edit Column Properties. This will open up a dialog box where you can change the column name, adjust its type, whether it be text, date, drop-down, and so forth, and modify any other relevant settings. This flexibility allows you to tailor your Smartsheet to meet your specific needs, adapting to any changes in your project's structure. And there you have it, a simple walkthrough of updating Smartsheets. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your work with Smartsheet more efficient and effective. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below.